Go ahead and tuck your lips in, close your eyes.
You ain't got no money, take your broke asshole!
I'm so scared right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another makeup tutorial. If you guys are following my Facebook, I will put it down below in the description box in case you're not. But if you guys are following my page on Facebook, then you already know that this is the video you guys voted for, which was Patrick doing my makeup. I don't know what I ever did to y'all. Like, I don't know what I did to deserve this, but apparently this is what you guys want, so this is what you're gonna get. So Patrick is going to run through this quick tutorial. I'm gonna let him explain to you what kind of look we're going for today.
I don't know what look I'm going for. Just wish me luck.
First, I'm gonna put on some primer. Wait, hold up. Like that?
Yeah, you want to get a little closer?
Oh, a little closer. Not that close. Well, no, look. Instant retouch primer.
Yeah, baby, but the front of the...
Oh, I get it now.
Yes.
Y'all already know this is primer.
You're supposed to tell them, like, first I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter
Not everything
primer.
has a label on it.
Okay.
I'll use this side first.
So you're gonna use it. You're gonna go in. You use the primer with the beauty blender.
Yeah, put your
Okay.
hair back. I don't want to get makeup in your hair.
Okay.
You got like a little scrunchy or something?
You make it into like wrap it around. Yeah.
You didn't think I knew about that trick, did you?
Okay. I have a lot of hair.
That's good enough.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead and tuck your lips in, close your eyes.
Okay, I'm scared.
Well, I don't want to get on your lips.
Okay.
You want white lips? Oh, so, okay, I get it now. Am I heavy-handed?
Just go with what feels right to you.
This feels right. You look cute already. The Fenty Beauty Foundation, number 310. You feel like a drag queen.
Oh my god. It feels.
I had to get the top up.
You're trying to set your way and tell me to shut the fuck up.
I thought we do eyeshadow now.
Okay.
Or do I do eyebrows first?
You know what? I think you
do
could just leave the
eyebrows.
eyebrows. You know.
There was a spoolie brush, and then there was okay.
Duck down when you're talking to them.
The NYX eyebrow gel. It is waterproof, long lasting, and smudge proof. It's an espresso color.
Oh my god.
Fuck. I think I put it on the wrong side.
Oh Jesus.
Huh? Yes. Why you make sounds?
Because it felt wrong. Oh my god, that's so much product. Oh my god, I can feel how much product that is.
I think I'm sweating. God damn, motherfuckers is thick.
You're not that bad, right, guys?
A lot of smudging going on here. I'm using the Masquerade by Juvia's for something.
You guys, Patrick is going to use the Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place to contour my face.
Such as this forehead.
Oh god.
Oh, this is very shiny.
Perhaps it's shiny because it goes on eyelids.
You wanna face the camera some?
No, I don't really think I...
I just blessed you. Do I put dark under the eyelids? I believe so.
Oh my god.
Wait, I gotta make sure this shit even. Okay, so I went to the crease of your mouth. Hurt my soul. Did it not hurt your soul, CC? I think I put a lot on you.
And I feel like at this point,
I have no idea what I'm doing.
I don't know what my face looks like, but I feel like any tips that I give you would be a moot point anyway. Like, it's not like it would help.
Close your eyes right now. Look towards the screen.
Am I beautiful yet, you guys?
You will be. That mix some of this shit in.
I think we're almost done here. I'm going to put on some lipstick.
Okay, you guys, QuickTime decided to stop recording for some reason, which was a total pain in the butt. And so we thought all of our footage was lost, but it actually wasn't. So I was able to recover it, but I'd already taken off my eyebrows, my glorious eyebrows that Patrick did. So he has to redo my eyebrows.
Oh yeah, and I get to do eyeshadows. Oh yeah, I'm using the Masquerade by Juvia's again, and I'm using the Birkenau. So I'm making sure to just get in there, you know, the corner creases or the corner pocket. Too hard?
No, it's not too hard. You guys, I'm experiencing a little bit of fallout here, but that's fine.
Yes, some excess. I'll get this little pad right here. I find it's a little bit easier. And I'm just gonna go into this black part. Just put a little bit on something. Alright, bear with me now.
Okay.
Open your eyes. Oh my god. I think we're done here.
How bad is it?
Maybe I should have did eyeshadow.
Alright, now I'm using the Catty Cat matte. Matte?
It's matte.
It is matte.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm so scared right now.
Maybe it was the
Action.
So you guys, this is the final look.
ta-da.
I'm beautiful.
If you guys want any more tips and tricks, just comment in the section. Pat, I need help.
Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. I'm just, I guess, kind of warming up to my new look. If you guys are interested in getting your face beat by Pat, I will leave booking information down below in the description box.
We're at the alleyway.
Get your face beat for the low by a real pro, okay? If you guys are not already following me on Facebook, follow me on Facebook because I do post a lot of polls, just kind of figuring out what you guys want to see in upcoming videos, if I'm doing challenges, if you want to see more of this hot mess right here.
Gorgeous.
Let me know down in the comment section below, how do you think Pat did? Give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.
Bye.